Down the middle. Yes, that'll work.
Nice play para dito sa PLDT.
Yung tempo nila, kailangan bilisan nila konti. That's what Rivera has in mind.
JC Shenline.
Shenline taking care of business there, which is always the case. Chesket, thank you for that update. In the meantime, a lively, long exchange, and Zaslovan hits it down the line to bring them within 4.
Ang ganda naman ng pagkakapatay ni Loman.
Rivera. Ball alive. Race Lazard gets it to brush against Loman.
Siya yung quicker na umaatake rin ng backbone dito sa PSL.
That's loaded, but Lazard is in the perfect spot. The counter. Taylor able to handle the hot volleyball from Alvarez.
Diba? Nakakapag-service na, nakaka-macro attack, and may maganda pa siyang dig. Nakakalabang sila, but yun nga na, nakakat yung momentum nila dahil sa error din.
Correct. In the meantime, Loman gets that to bite, and Molly sends the serve back to them. They're in the lead again 4 against. Nakahabol na sila rito. Naku, mintis. Alvarez has been steady. Lazard punches it. No connection. Sabi na, give it to me again!
yun yung mga nakakagigil patay na bola eh. Yung bumabalik sa'yo and then suddenly isa-set pa sa'yo ng center mo.
Lalim. Pwede to. Pantone heaves it over. Libero to libero. Ordaz now in position. Oh, alanganin na, no? Nagawa pa ng paraan yun.
Ang tawag doon, bilis kamay. Yung sinasabi ng mga volleyball players, pag bumlock siya.
Yung use of the block as a scoring
attack.
Device!
Yes. Well, ang quicker talaga, makakablock lang yan pag maganda yung positioning.
Live with it. Nabor. Ordaz contributes.
Ang galing ni Nabor maghanap ng attackers. Alam niyang kakagat itong mga blockers dito kay Lazard. Kaya naman pinigay niya.
Tapos! Ang boxing. One good reception. Medyo natagalan ng konti, pero tapos. Why not go to your porsyento? Rivera pushes it. Nice dink that time by Shannon. And Amanda ends up stretching for it.
Nakakuha ng butas itong si Kendra sa may down the line. Serve.
Up. Kendra taking care of business there. Hard angle to work with. We're tied again at 5. Nice dig up that time by Kendra. Ordaz loads up.
Kung nakablock kayo kanina, babawi din kami sa blocking, sabi ng Santa Lucia.
Parameters. Ordaz. Amanda! Tago si Ordaz. Tinaas ni Lazard. Eto. Alvarez!
Alvarez. Down the line hit.
25-23 on the second, both for PLDT. That is kept alive. Raslan is there. Into the back row. Ordaz has been steady. Here comes Kendra Dalke. Katindig got to it. Cut shot!
Amanda Villanueva. Yung mga ganong timing, mga ginagawa yun sa beach volleyball eh. Explosive jump, soft lang yung pagkaka-top spin sa bola.
Tusok!
Ordaz. Iba yung Ordaz, iba talaga yung gising niya for today's game. Diba?
Bawi.
Pag-usapang locals naman, hindi naman magpapatalo si Amanda Villanueva.
Lalim ng kuha. Ay. At doon natapos.
Doon natapos ang game ng PLDT against Santa Lucia Real Force.